Well, hi everyone. It's Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's Cooking. I'm glad you're in today. And we're going to make some brownies today. And I know that's pretty common, but these are actually peanut butter crisp brownies. And they are so good. And kids love them. My daughter loves brownies. She likes anything sweet. Now, I have used a cake mix, and it's the chewy brownie. It doesn't make any difference what kind of a cake mix you use, or you make it from scratch. It's a 13x9 pan. It's a big pan of brownies, in other words. And for this one, I put parchment paper in it because when they are done, you can't dump them out and cool them. You have to leave them in the pan because of the sticky topping. And it stays sticky for about an hour. But if you're going to lift them out of the pan, it's better to have the parchment paper. Or I find it that way anyway. Even though I grease my pans, brownies are sort of thick and hold. These brownies have 2 kinds of peanut butter, Toll House semi-sweet chips, and Rice Krispies. Now, right away, we know they're going to be good when you're using peanut butter. I'm a peanut butter lover. I love peanut butter candy. You go back and look, I've got a recipe for peanut butter candy. And it just turns out perfect. It's called Opera Peanut Butter Candy. I've been making it for 40 years. And actually have people who wait for it for Christmas as the peanut butter candy. Okay, see? Just simple as it can be to put the brownie in. Okay, now the brownie will be in for a few minutes, so we'll drop back in. Hi everyone. Well, I got my brownies out of the oven. I put them in the refrigerator to get cool. And I brought them out, and did not know my film was not on, but it wasn't, but there's no problem. I put a cup and a half of crunchy peanut butter on the first layer. This one is two cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. It's actually a bag. 2 cups is a bag. And 2 cups of this. This was 2 cups, and this is 1.5. I'm sorry my video stopped. You didn't miss nothing. Or didn't miss too much. I always push the same buttons, but sometimes mine don't turn out so right. Gee, this is a lot of topping in it. I don't remember. I've eaten it once, but I don't remember it being that much, but I like that. That looks superb. I'm actually going to cool these and take them to someone in a couple hours and be just perfect. Smooth it up here a little bit. It's almost like icing a cake because it turns out that good. Now, what does this side look like? Okay. Well, do you think you would like a crispy brownie It looks good. Let's I used a regular 9 by 13 pan for brownies. I took it out and I let it cool for a half an hour. Then I put it in my freezer for a half an hour, and it just was, came out good to spread everything on. And then a cup and a half of crunchy peanut butter, and you put it on just one layer, and then 2 cups of smooth peanut butter with 2 cups of chocolate chips that you melt in the microwave. It takes a minute and 20 seconds. I did it 4 times. Just turned out perfect. And then I used 3.5 cups of crispy Rice Krispies. And mix the peanut butter, Rice Krispies, and the chocolate chips, and there you go. And I would like to have just a bite of it. I'll take this one. That's wonderful. I'm going to let it cool, and then we'll slice it. Enjoy. And it's big enough to take somewhere. Have a good evening. I've enjoyed doing this. It gives me a gift to take to someone, because I'm the only one here today, and I sure don't need a whole pan of brownies. Subscribe, ring that bell. Find joy in everything today. Hope you're happy. Take care of yourself. See you soon.